design ba anizungena ningamkhulu ngumkhosi pha nongena indlela eziza corridor kuyafoster bangene one by one anijike kwenyicanga nje indlela bayindlela ezidesignwe ngayo za building design to control yabo umuntu oza aggressive
bona ke la building bayazi nangolohlo bona like
namapolice
yeah in terms of xa kunokwenzeka into wrong bayazi ba which office has the best angle for a sniper, which office for the so immediately kusenzeka into iznipers yeah like sebe understand fortress like sendo zasifike zokhiwa ngamabhulu ngotya what's the correct term wena
front yawas
yeah ilanduka like ezwe babe zokha mana amabhulu
ifort
police stations ifort
yatsile
but ke ngoku forts that are built to serve two purposes. One, layer fort. Two, the administrative governance
side
for the society.
Yeah, internal police, internal. Police, police is the internal military.
So that was ukwamkela society ize bazo-certify bazothini but nayo yakhiwe strategically. No coincidence balanda be-certify play yayo office instead of that one. It's very intentional.
True. And ke njengoba ndisitsho wena futhi njengoba icacisa kamnandi kumkhanya yami. The main purpose of manhood and later by teaching a mass bomb but yenzekayo. We reserved kubani SANDF, SAPS or any security entities ezikhoyo leyo is knowledge which is this ba xa unguyindoda you must have the capability to defend yourself and to defend what is yours right yakho in South Africa leyo uyabona njengoba sinodwa sco armed asco armed because so build farms elojo sawukhi farmer pha enkulu
ezazinto eziya